If you're one of those that always wonder how aloe vera powder is being made, come close, let's make it together, because in this video I'll be showing you how aloe vera powder is being produced. So aloe vera powder is very, very beneficial, especially if you're making your DIY soap. So this is the aloe vera powder that I always use in my DIY soap. It's very, very easy to make, and also you making it by yourself, you'll be sure that what you are using is 100% aloe vera powder, because some of the aloe vera powder that you purchase at the store are being mixed with some other herbs, you know, so for them to get much quantity. So it's better that you make it by yourself, so that you will be sure that what you are using is aloe vera powder. I won't be talking much in this video because it's self-explanatory, but what I did is to wash my aloe vera. After washing it, I will soak it in the water for some time to take out those toxic stuff, after which I will now cut it into tiny pieces and sun dry it. So after drying it, I will blend it into powder form and pour it in my storage container for you. So that is it. If you haven't followed me, please do so. Subscribe and turn on your post notification bell to always get notified whenever I upload a new video. All right, bye.